Jharkhand, the land of mines and minerals, is the backbone of the Make in India campaign of the Government of India because of its bountiful natural resources. According to recent reports of Ministry of Mines and Minerals Government of India, Jharkhand ranks third in terms of mineral production in the country. The state produces iron ore, coal, bauxite, copper ore, uranium, limestone, granite, kainite, mica, asbestos, chromite to name a few. The state holds 40% of India's mineral wealth. It ranks first in coal reserves, second in iron ore, third in copper, seventh in bauxite ore reserves, and is the sole producer of prime coking coal, uranium and pyrite in India. If Dhanbad, Ramgarh, Hazaribagh, Chhatra and Goda has large reserves of coal, then Chaibasa is famous for its iron ore reserves. Lohardaga and Gumla for bauxite, East Singhbhum for copper and uranium, and Singhbhum for gold reserves. This regional spread of various minerals across the state and quality of mineral attracts various value-added mineral-based industries. The major growth drivers of the engineering industry in Jharkhand are availability of raw material, power, water and industrial labor. The availability of large reserves of low-grade, high-ash coal in Jharkhand makes it a suitable destination for coal to poly-generation project. The land has rich deposits and has huge potentials for more discoveries. Jharkhand is slated to produce over 25 metric ton of steel and thus has potential to turn into the steel The sun shines brightly on its glorious soil, the soil which gave birth to independence, the land of forests and falls, the land of spirituality and charm, endowed with a wealth of mineral resources. Jharkhand. Today the state is opening its doors for one and all. Explore a symmetry of old and new. Explore a flight of modernity and future. Propagating an ease of doing business, huge investment opportunities, industrial harmony and a strong, stable and visionary leadership. Mark your entry to the wondrous land.